Dude, this is an installment of how to pick a shotgun 12 gauge trigger pick or lock. Here's the keys. You stick it in there, you know what to do. They're right there, as you can see, they're right there. For this, you will need a bent paper clip or bobby pin for leverage, and that will go right in the lowest part of the key of the lock, as you can see. And then you will need a paper clip. It's slightly bent, as you can see if I move it around, just ever so slightly. And mine has a blue handle. I just modified it so I can turn it easier. So this is how you do it. Alright, you take your paper clip, stick it in the biggest part of the key, the lock. Then scrape it a couple times. You'll get a couple of tumblers to unlock. Just a few minutes ago, I unlocked it, and I just stuck it in there and pulled it out real quick, and it unlocked. So if you put it in there, you can feel it in there. You can feel some of the tumblers. Just push them up. Every single time you get a tumbler, the front of your key will turn just a tad, and you just keep working it till it comes. I recommend working at your back, the tumblers at the back, and then working your way up. Got it. See? It's unlocked. There it is. That's how you do it. Let's do this.